how the user can use his purchase tokens. So we know that the user has to purchase token packages from the site owner. Once done, you can see the amount of token credits that he has on his profile. So suppose he wants to make any, he can use this particular tokens to unlock any pay-per-view content that the model has posted in the platform. You can say, for example, it says this is a feed, so the user can use this to unlock a particular feed. The user can unlock any pay-per-view videos in the platform. Suppose if he's searching for any models, you can see it says 40 tokens. So he can click on that and then he can unlock this particular content for 40 tokens, and then he can watch that video. Now it says the video is unlocked. So he can unlock feeds, he can unlock videos, he can unlock galleries also. Let's see how we can unlock the galleries. So there is a gallery. So the gallery, you can see the gallery has 10 tokens posted by this particular model JC to be unlocked. So clicking on that, you can pay 10 tokens to unlock this particular content. It says the gallery is unlocked. So he can also use the tokens not only for unlocking gallery feeds and videos, but also to tip model. So you can also use to tip to tip any model. Suppose if you go to any model, you can see an option to tip. He can use this particular tokens to tip a model like this. So it says thank you for the tip. He can also use this particular tokens to purchase products. So suppose if there is any product posted by the model, be it physical or digital, he can look for the products and then he can make a purchase. Say it says 20 in stock, and then he can actually get it now. So he can give the quantity, the delivery address, and he can confirm the purchase. So you can see the payment is success. So he can use this for tipping gallery, buying products both physical and digital, and unlocking any post, unlocking a video content, as well as unlocking a gallery. So this way the user can use his purchase token packages, and he can use to pay this for the models. Thank you.